Henan RUICHEN Traffic Equipment Company Limited was founded in 2008, which is a comprehensive enterprise focusing on R&D, manufacturing and selling of road traffic safety facilities and traffic equipment. At present, RUICHEN have 6 product patents, 12 years manufacturing experience, 8 R&D personnel, 3 overseas offices and exported to more than 120 countries. RUICHEN Solar Road Stud have earned a good reputation with customers at home and abroad, and there are a large number of practical application cases in various countries. In recent years, with the continuous development of solar energy industry, solar photovoltaic has been widely used in traffic safety facility products. RUICHEN's self-developed and produced solar photovoltaic products mainly include solar road stud, integrated solar street lights, solar traffic signs, solar monitoring, traffic warning lights, etc., as well as the regular traffic equipment such as reflective road stud, road cone, and road marking machine. All our products are CE, RoHS, FCC, IP68 approved and meet the European and American ASTM D4280 and EN 1463-1 standards. RUICHEN Traffic has a R&D team that keeps pace with the times and is highly professional. Every year, RUICHEN develops and launches new products according to market development. The factory has a professional dust-free production workshop of 2,000 square meters and has various mechanized equipment such as soldering robots, incubators to ensure product efficiency and quality control. Produced by RUICHEN, rest assured to buy, feel free to use, intimate service, don't worry about after sales. Reliable traffic to protect you and your family's travel safety. RUICHEN solar road studs have been exported to hundreds of countries such as Southeast Asia, Europe, America, the Middle East and Australia, Africa, and South America. Through years of efforts in the market, the company has established large-scale industrial user sales agency channels with many companies in Nigeria, Canada, the United States and other countries, and has established good cooperative relations with mainstream operators.